Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to change the brightness level on your PlayStation 5 camera. So let's go ahead, jump the video right now. So are you in kind of a dark room or it's way too bright? How can you go ahead and adjust the brightness level of your PlayStation 5 camera to fix the brightness? Well, this is very simple. So let's go over to my PlayStation 5 right now. On the home screen, let's go to the top and go to settings. Now let's go down to the bottom here to captures and broadcast and select this option. Now if we go to broadcast, go over to the right and then go down to camera. Here we will have all the different options for the PlayStation 5 camera when you're live streaming. So if we scroll down, we have the option for brightness, and we can really make this a lot brighter. Now, it's kind of washed out right now. I can bring it down to the left, and now it's kind of way too dark. So just adjust it to the point where it's just a good looking level. Then press X, then you go down to contrast right here, and do the same thing. Just go to the right, and find out if this is too dark. Go to the left, and just see if this is way too washed out. And adjust this accordingly to your light levels in your room. So this is looking kind of good right here. And then also you have transparency if you want your camera to kind of blend into the background when you're live streaming. Then go through all the different options on here if you want to add anything. Like you can go to like a monochrome look if you just want a black and white, or toy camera, scan lines, pixelate, comic, etc. Then you can flip your camera too if you want to be like facing a certain direction when you're live streaming, and you can just flip it and make it look good. Clip masking, you can use cutouts, square cutouts, auto keys. You can kind of have like a green screen effect without having a green screen. It doesn't look very great. They didn't upgrade this from the PlayStation 4 at all. Then let's go to none. Then you can change the size to medium or small. Large is just way too big when you're live streaming, so I prefer medium. And make sure you go to refocus on your face, just in case you moved your camera at some point, and just refocus it. So those are all the different options and the settings on your PlayStation 5 camera. If this video did indeed help you out, go ahead and leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech help videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.